Touch base is the idiom of the day. Do you know when and how to use this phrase? If not, stick around. Welcome back to Global Speaking English with Rose. You may ask what the literal meaning of touch base is. It's to physically touch a base like a baseball. What is the actual meaning of the idiom? To check in briefly with someone without a long formal meeting. Now here is a business example. What you can use during office and otherwise. Let's touch base before the client's call tomorrow morning. Here's an everyday example you can use in your day-to-day life. I just wanted to touch base and see how the move went. Catch you in the next one.